Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Atomic Wallet using your iOS device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Atomic Wallet application from your app drawer. In the first interface, you can go ahead and enter your password associated with Atomic Wallet. After you are done typing in the password, tap on the login button at the bottom. If you don't remember your password, you can restore your wallet using the 12-word backup phrases. Tap the restore button at the top right if you don't remember your wallet password. Now, you'll need to type in your 12-word backup phrases that you previously backed up. Tap on continue and enter the 12 words in the correct order. After you are done typing in the correct words in the correct order, tap on restore at the bottom. Now, soon after you restore your wallet, you'll need to choose a new password for your Atomic Wallet. Go ahead and type in the new password and tap on set. Re-enter the password again in the next field and tap confirm. Wait for a few minutes and you'll be able to log into your Atomic Wallet application right away. That is how you can easily access your Atomic Wallet using your iOS device. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.